a load of 2,100 kilonewton. Assume that the stress below the footing is spread to a slope of 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. Determine the settlement of the clay layer. And there is a problem. 2.5 meters square to square of footing. There's a load of 2,100 kilonewton. Assume that the stress below the footing is spread slope of 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. So, kaya ito limit sa mid-height. Kung ano yung mid-height, of course, ay sa mid-height. Okay? Project lang na ito eh. Project lang, open lang na eh. And 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. So, approximate na lang. 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. Ano yung spread sa footing? It means 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. It means nga kung pila mo eh, 0.7 plus 1 plus natuwa sa 1.2. Para natuwa sa 2.4. And that is 2.4 plus 0.7. Right? 1.2 plus 1, 2.2 plus 0.7, 2.9. Okay, 2.9 eh. 2.9 siya. That means, kung 2.9 siya, dapat, ito nga, ano yung, wala yan, 1.4. Kung ito nga sa 2.9, 1.45. So, kung na 2.9 lang yan, yung test, 1.45 na rin. So, it means, kung 2.5 din siya, nasa na yan, 2.9. Kung pila yung test, mawala ko na yan. Total cover. And there is a problem. Determine the settlement of clay and so due to this law, nana po increase in pressure. And ang condition of problem is, assume that the stress below the footing is spread. Kumbaga, nana siya ay due to increase in pressure. Okay, una to ang dami dahil of clay layer o pressure, PFA or PO. PFA, given naman yung mga unit weights ulit natin. So, sa sand, given namin yung unit weight sa sand, could be dry or moist, yung mga unit siya, is 18.5 times the length. That is 1.4 plus 0.7. That is 2.1. Okay, 2.1 plus the sand layer na is saturated for that is 19.56. Minus 9.81 para 50 times 1. And of course, sa clay, 18.8 minus 9.81 times. Of course, ito nga sa 2.4. That is 1 point. So, pila naman yung effective stress for effective vertical stress of the mid-height of the clay. Pila to? 59 point? 59.39. 59.39 or 388. And this is kilopascal or kilonewton per square meter. Next is the delta P. Change in pressure due to this load, due to footing, and may load 2,100. Maybe, wala siya, maybe a column sa mga building. Ay, buta area na lang. Okay. So this is just pressure just for over area. So this is 2,100 over. Ang area is area. Muna yung consider. So, nilagapin ka, it means 2.5 plus 1.45 plus 1.45, that is 2.9. And si square mo na siya, square footing mo square lang na. Kailangan mo yun. 72.02. And this is still 58 kilopascal. Kilometer per square. Given a CC, given a okay, but this is still primary consolidated. Delta X, CC is 0.35. Then kung gusto natin yan, yung settlement, kung debt sa daily year, total debt is 2,400. This is 2,400. And then 1 plus void ratio, leverage ratio. Galubos. Nakita. $0.82. Logarithm of, and that is 59.39 plus 72.02 all over 59.39. So this is equal to 15.19 mm.